What's up guys, Ben here, and today I am back with the legendary top 5 free Android apps of the month, and today's month of course is July 2016. Now I'm going to break it to you guys at the start. All of these 5 apps today are actually gaming apps. There wasn't really any applications that don't do gaming kind of thing that I found this month, so hope you guys still enjoy it. But if you're not into games, there's not really much point to being here, but they are some really good games that even if you don't play games, they are ones to look out for if you want to try and start out or anything like that. So the first app is actually Traffic Rider, and it's actually a really fun app where you basically just drive a motorbike down the highway, basically dodging around like lorries, different cars and stuff, and then just trying to get to places before the time runs out. Now it's a really fun, addicting game, and basically what you do is you have to complete each mission, and to complete each mission you're gonna have to want to upgrade your bike, or you're going to want to upgrade like the specs on your bikes. You can get multiple bikes and multiple upgrades for the bike, so you can upgrade like the speed, the engine and stuff like that. And of course, like the better the bike you get, the easier it's going to be. So yeah, it's a really basic game, but it has got some really good graphics, especially when it's raining. You can actually see the graphics, and it looks great on the S7 Edge, which is the phone that I use for my apps basically. The only problem is with it, you got some adverts which can get quite annoying, and there's a bit of waiting around which is kind of annoying, but you would expect adverts and waiting around on a free game like you will with most of these games on this list. So next game on the list is actually Dropple. Now Dropple is like one of those kind of like really simple and basic games, but everyone gets addicted to it. And not a lot of people have been playing these type of games recently, but I think this is going to bring them back on the list. It's actually kind of a great game. I've been playing it quite a bit, well not too much, but a bit. It is really hard though compared to like other little basic games. Basically what happens is you have to make the stairway for the ball to dropple down. That's what it's called, dropple. Yeah, basically you have to make the stairway, and then the little bricks go side to side, and it's kind of really hard to line them up. But what I found is if you quickly tap the screen like loads at one point, you're going to do it, but that's only going to last you for like a tiny bit, and then they gradually get faster, I think, as well. This is what it feels like. And yeah, so overall it just keeps getting really hard, but it is quite addicting, and you're going to want to beat your score each time, so yeah, you just keep playing. Yeah, the only real bad things about that app is like the adverts, really annoying adverts on these type of games where you're clicking the screen to try and play, and then boom, pops up an advert, boom, you clicked it, you're already heading down to the Play Store, and that is really annoying. I don't know why people do that. Well, I obviously know why, because they want people to click on the app, but yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, it's just a bit of banter really from the developers. And of course it is a very hard game. Well, it's not very hard, but if you get a knack of it, you'll be alright, but starting off it's going to be really hard. Thirdly, we have Sliver.io, or Sliverio, whatever you want to call it. It's like Agario, like on the PC, and that was also available on the apps as well. But yeah, it's just basically, instead of the little circle, it's the snake. Same concept, you just go around, and then you want to eat up all of the energy or food, whatever you want to call it, and then just make your snake bigger basically. So yeah, that's all you do. And yeah, it is a really fun game, but there are some problems with the Android version of it. So the problem is basically you can only play the offline version of the game because the multiplayer is super laggy. It's really clunky when you're moving around, and it's just a real pain to play, and I don't know why people play it online on the Android app, because it's really disgusting, mate. I don't know why people do it, you know what I'm saying. So basically all I do on the Android version of it is just play single player or against the computer, and it's still real fun because they just use random names, so it feels like you're playing online. But obviously you don't get that sense of like achievement, if you kind of know what I'm saying. But if you want to play online, I definitely recommend playing it on the PC, because it's a lot better on the PC, even though this is on the Android apps. It's still great on the Android, but obviously not the multiplayer. And on iOS it is a lot better than multiplayer as well. But anyway, it's a great app and well worth downloading. Yes. Now, fourth on the list, we have Brain It On. Now you guys might be thinking, why is he doing a educational application? Well, it's not really educational, it is more of like working out how to do something. So you got load of missions. The start ones are kind of basic, but they get you going, so they might feel hard at the start, but then by the time you do harder ones later, you're going to think they're mega easy. but they do get really hard. At the moment I'm stuck on one, but I've only played it a tiny bit. I could probably do better if I just played it for ages. But yeah, it's quite an addicting game, and it gives you a sense of achievement because it's more of like a puzzle game, like it's going to test your brain, so you get more of an achievement out of it, and it's a lot of fun as well at the same time. The only problem is it's very hard when you get stuck, and it's annoying when you get stuck, and that's about it. And finally, my favourite game on this month's list, and of course it is Smash City. Now basically, yeah, I did say city there. Alright, basically, what you do is you're a dinosaur or just a crazy like monster animal, and you basically just go around the town or whatever it is, the city, just eating up the houses, eating up the cars, just trying to make as much damage, money as you can. And your monster just turns rage sometimes. You click the rage button, boom, you can take down any building in just one swipe, and it's just a classic game. I think it's really good, really enjoyable, and it's made by some like great creators. It's like the kind of blocky style thing. Yeah, it's pretty good. I do rate the game. I think it's great, and it's definitely my favourite on the list. And of course, basically, you got the classic unlockable animals. So it's a lot of achievement in it. So you basically unlock animals, unlock whatever you want. You just can keep playing until you keep unlocking. And it's got like the gift thing. Like, click on the gift box, and then it's just going to give you a random animal. And you just got to hope that you get the best one in the game, the one that costs £2.99. So yeah. The only bad thing, of course, with all these games is the adverts, but especially on this game, because you get them 30-second long adverts, and they are just so annoying. I don't know why people do. Well, I know why do I keep saying this? Of course I know why people do it. But anyway, that's about it for this, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this top 5. I know it's only games, but you guys can comment down below if you think there's any games or apps that I need to check out for the next month, as I am making this a frequent kind of episode thing. And I also will be doing an iOS version of this as well, so please be sure to go to the channel because I might have already uploaded it. And if you're a subscriber or you're watching this video as soon as it releases, be sure to check around in your subscription boxes, click the notification button to like this video, subscribe, go to my Twitter, go to my Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, just do everything, mate, and I will love you for the rest of my life. Anyway, guys, I'm out. Peace!